Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Modest. Hope everyone have a day. Today I'll be taking you how to cut a drap sleeve. It can be on the top or on a dress. So this sleeve I'm talking about, you have to cut out your pattern of sleeve out this. In my previous tutorial I've done how to draft out a straight sleeve like this. You can see a straight sleeve with this area that is going to attach to the armhole. So I've done this. If you watch my previous tutorial, I've done tutorial class on how to cut it out. So that's what I've done here. So the next thing that we're going to do now is to take this sleeve. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 2 inches. This is my 2 inches. Then another 2 inches. Then another 2 inches. You can see I'm starting from these 2 inches here. So this next thing is to take this to make a curve. So the first one is here. The second one is here. And the third one is here. You can see. So the next thing is to cut it out. So you cannot see it now. This is how it's going to be. You can see. So the next thing is to place it on your fabric. This is after placing it on the fabric. You can see where I open it, then I place it with the distance that I used to cut it, that is 2 inches. Then this is how to place it. Then I use my office pin to pin it down. You can see. The next thing is to chalk the shape out before cutting it. This is after tracing out the shape with the chalk. You can see. The reason why I'm adding this to it is for the seam allowance. If you are cutting your pattern paper, and if you have already had an allowance to it, there is no need of adding it here. You can trace it equally with the pattern paper. But since I didn't add any allowance to it, that's why I decided to add my allowance to this pattern paper after placing it on the fabric. So the next thing here is to cut it out. So this is now what we have. You can see the shape now. This is what we have here. The next thing is to go and pleat it down. Like this. Like this. Then like this. You can see what we have now. So let me go and do that and show it to you. Welcome back. This is after stitching it, or you can see how beautiful the sleeve is. So the suitable fabric for this particular sleeve is scuba or any other thick fabric that you can use to make the style come out. This, you can see how simple this is now. If you're watching for the first time, please, at the end of this class, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And for those who have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. Make sure you on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any tutorial, you'll be notified. See you in my next class. Assalamu alaikum.